YouTube family. Welcome to my channel of Big Bean Home Decor, where I share home decorating ideas to make you people easier. So keep watching and do like and share with your friends. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FP Queen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. In this video, we will discuss about modern kids room ideas with tips and accessories to help you design yours. A kid's bedroom is their domain to play, create, study, and relax. It's a do it all space for the youngest member of the household. So it's only the right that these spaces demand perhaps the biggest creative input when it comes to decorating. Kids will likely have quite a few ideas of their own when it comes to their rooms, not all of which you will agree with, but style doesn't have to be compromised. This catalog of kids' room design is packed with stylish kids' decor ideas, including modern bedroom furniture, minimalist kids' room concept, inspiration for unique kids' beds, bunk beds and play bunks, practical kids, study area, and active play spaces. Give your little champ the space of their dream with our mixed range of kids' room design for all ages. What's one of your favorite childhood memories? While trying to narrow down on an answer, you might be recall the days when you had play interior design and decorate your own bedroom. After all, those were the days when even the smallest change to our kids' room design made us feel like entirely new people. Now, as homeowner, you might want to share these memories with your kids and give them their own spaces to adore and enjoy. Here is where you might be on the lookout for kids' bedroom design ideas for a touch of inspiration. From cartoon-inspired spaces to fun play zones, from sober teen rooms to lively nurseries, we have some beautiful kids' room design to suit you. Take a look at these creative ideas. Are your kids too young for elaborate kids' bedroom interiors? Perhaps safety and practically it is also a concern at this stage. Let us dust all of your worries with some simple yet stunning custom interior design ideas. Number 1. Pretty in pink for kids that love color. Does your child have a favorite color? How about using the kids' room design in a subtle shade of pink to show it off? Number 2. Spice up a plain room with an accent color. So you have to decide to keep your kit room design subtle, but don't want it to look too plain. Look like you're in need of some kids room ideas that can bring in some fun. Go for an accent wall to add a splash of color to neutral kids room interiors. Number 3. Pink meets purple in this cozy kids bedroom. If you thought geometric wall pattern are too much for a kid's room interior design, let this room be your guide. All you need are complementary colors like pink and purple to make a statement in your kid's room design. Number 4. Kids room ideas featuring confetti style walls. Confetti help us celebrate and mark joyous occasion with some fun and color, so it's only fitting to include it as a part of your kid's room design. However, actual confetti can get messy. Instead, you can recreate the look with any pattern in different colors for your walls. Take this shooting star design as an example. Number 5. How about some comforting florals? Include floral wallpaper with soft rose color furniture is a picture perfect match for kids' bedroom ideas. Throw in some wooden accent to complete the look of this floral kids' room design. Number 6. Create separate zone for double occupancy kids' room design. Two kids sharing a room can get messy. It helps to section of the kids' room design into different zones for each child. To further detail your kids' room interior design, go for accent wall to highlight each child's space, like this logo's themes walls. Number 7. Add some neon signage for trendy kids. Looking for a creative way to add some interest to your kids' room design? How about some neon sign to spice up your kids' bedroom interiors? What's more, you can buy them ready-made or even go so far as to customize them. Number 8. The sky the limit when it comes to kid room's wardrobe color. Color man, which color do you choose? If you can't decide with just one, how about going in for a mixed palette? However, remember to only pick complementary colors to avoid a clash. Orange, yellow, and blue can be some good colors to start. We hope you find our ideas useful. If you want beautiful interiors for your home, then do comment and subscribe our channel.